Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you have a phone and you're looking for a mount that connects to, let's just say, a bicycle handle or an electric scooter, this video is for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of how much this grip will hold a cell phone in place on a bicycle, on a scooter? You're going fast, you might have some turbulence, the ground may not be that smooth. Make sure this thing holds the phone in place. Of course I said yes, but no way whatsoever this being provided to be a fitness review because I'm just here to keep it real. So what all do you get? You get this mount right here. This is a very hard plastic. I would give it a high rating for sure because this is like not flimsy by any sense of the word. Very, very sturdy. It allows you to adjust it with this little swivel right here in the back, this little adjustment tool where you can kind of articulate a little bit to get it exactly in view of your old eyeballs when you are reading, looking at your phone. And then you have this very, very industrial 2, 4, 6, 8 pin grip that holds the phone in place. Kind of cool. Looks just like this when it's all in place. An up close view of this, you have these rubber coated, I'm calling them little grips, little fingers that are holding things in place, rubber coated. This is like a foam right here. And then this part right here is spring loaded. It's like a pretty sturdy spring. It's not just gonna, come loose when it's on there, but note that it's angled right here so it locks the phone in place. Put it in there, lock it in place. On the back side, there are these screws that you can turn by hand and they will allow you to adjust the width of the phone, either skinny or wide. Now from a width standpoint, you're looking at about, when this is fully extended out, about 4 inches wide on the old grip there. So it kind of helps with understanding what size phone might fit in there. And then all you do is you just adjust the phone and you put it in there. You adjust it, and then you tighten this down. Now, at first when I saw this, I was like, oh man, you mean I'm gonna have to manually turn these every single time to get it out, in and out? No, that's not the case. This is sort of a one-time to fit the phone size, tighten it with your hands, you're locked in, and then you just use a spring like this to take it out. So it comes in nice and neat. So these are for placement, holds it in, but the top and bottom with it being spring loaded kind of keeps it in check. Now from a mount standpoint, the tube, if you will, like the handlebars, can be as wide as about 1 3/4 inch wide as far as, the diameter of the old handlebars. To put it on, it has bolts and nuts already integrated into it. And it does come with a handy dandy little hex screwdriver. Installation is very easy. You just unscrew one, wrap it around, get it in place, take your provided screw, line it up, then take your hex screwdriver, tighten it up. You position it kind of close to where you want the phone mounted on the handlebar, tighten it down, and that piece, the mount, is not going anywhere. Then you take the base that's holding the phone, line it up with the bottom, snap it in, and now there is a phone mount in place. You can adjust where you want it, and then on the back side, tighten it up. That is on there nice. That is on there really nice. Then you get it out, very easy. Pull it like this. So it makes it very easy for a quick change on and off. And that is not going anywhere. Very, very impressive. I mean, that's like a piece of the handlebar right now. It is not going anywhere. It is on there solid. The spring is not going to do much. It's not doing anything. It is on there very, very nice. So if you're looking for a phone mount that's going to hold your phone in place on a bike, scooter, or something that has handlebars, and you want it to stay in place, this thing is legit. Hopefully this answers any question you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.